Often the first reaction to hearing no from the buyer is for the salesperson to panic and go harder. Answering straight away exposes us to a big danger. We hear, it's too expensive, but that is a headline. When we hear that headline from the buyer, we need to ask why that is a problem. We also ask, are there any other reasons why you wouldn't go ahead? We need to uncover the hidden objections. We now need the buyer to prioritize the main deal breakers. Once we hear the main reason holding them back, we have to check if this is a legitimate objection or not. It might be constructed on a false premise. If the objection is true, then we should admit it. We can answer the objection, but we need to know we have our ladder up against the right wall before we embark on a reply. We need to have the breaker in there to get us to a series of why questions to dig down to the highest priority item worrying them. If we can solve their objection, then fine. If we can't, fine. We just move on and find another client we can serve.